now my BPM is at 125. I downloaded 2 loops that weren't at 125 BPM. The easiest way is just to only use loops that are at the same BPM. So one of them was 126. So I'm just gonna show you the easy way first and check this out. All right, so just with a little bit of math, you can figure it out. And thankfully, people have came up with kind of calculators that will automatically do that conversion for you. This is, what Ableton is doing in the background constantly all the time whenever you're trying to import different samples at different BPMs. It's just doing this math, but it kind of makes you do these extra steps just for the convenience of being on the phone. So if you get a loop of 127 BPM to be 126, let's see, apply a pitch of negative 0.14 semitones. So we need to slow it down by 0.14 semitones or 14 cents. All right, so let's try that out. So here in the D tune, we can turn this down to negative 14, and let's see if it works. There we go. Let's try it out. Now it's in time. You can do that with any BPM loop. It's just a matter of going in and transposing it by the correct amount of semitones and cents, and you can get any loop in here and have it still be in time with everything else.